Hi everybody, welcome to the CRAM website where we can create flashcards. I'd like to do this quick demonstration for you to help you highlight how we can create flashcards quickly and easily. If you notice at the top left hand corner, if you're not able to create your own flashcards, you can also always search for flashcards. Otherwise, you can create your own flashcards, and we'll do that momentarily. If you look into the center of this home page, you'll see that each subject area has its own compartment of flashcards. So, for example, if you click on education, it will bring you to a whole host of flashcards with regards to education. So let's look at creating our very own flashcards. So when we click on creating flashcards or create flashcards, we're brought to this page. Here we will include a description. So for this particular case, we're looking at developing flashcards for EDU 590. That falls under the subject heading of education. And I will make my flashcards public so that my classmates can access them as well. So here you'll notice that I've already begun by creating my very first flashcard, and with its response right beside it. Moving on to my second question, I've already identified the question I'm looking for to study from, and so I will include the response. Now, there are a couple of functions that I may use at this particular time. I can bold this font. I cannot use italics or underscore or many of these functions. However, I can use, I can upload an image to help me with my memory with regards to it. So as soon as I search for digital storytelling, I am provided with many different options. I'm just going to pick one for the sake of time. So this one looks like a good one, and I will include it in my cues or prompts for me to help me remember. I may also look at moving that over in this area. So again, I may look at doing a search, and again, if you include too many words or too much information, it's unable to locate what you're looking for. So let's see if we can find something similar or what we have already. Yep, so there we go, and we can include that there. So as you can see, I've moved on to the third and final question with respects to my study notes. And now I'm going to move down and I'm going to finish and create my flashcards. So while I'm waiting for that, so here you'll notice in this window where my flashcards have been created, you'll notice that it are my flashcards by the title, and that I authored these flashcards. There's various ways of using the flashcards. You can use them for study purposes, as I'm demonstrating here. Pose the question and then click for response, and then move through your flashcards as so, and continue as so. You can also use the flashcards for memorizing your information. So you click and again you test yourself to see if you are if you know the answer or the response, and it is a self-evaluation. You can also test yourself to see if you're understanding the information as well. So here it can be identified through a matching of information, and then you get your test results. So there you have it, folks. This is how you create flashcards for study purposes. Hope you've enjoyed this mini demonstration.